Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is still Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. It's kind of sad, I'll be honest with you. Anyway, it has been an absolutely gorgeous day. Got out a little bit on the bike, which was nice, very relaxing. And I took my sister to lunch. And so that was that. So I got to show you, we're going to talk about the topic here in just a moment, but I wanted to bring you over here because I wanted to show you one of the things that I was doing today. So today, oh Rose, you are ferocious. So one of the things that I was doing today is, I got to bring these back in now, but with honey, it gets hard, as you can see in the bottom. It gets hard in the bottom of the jars, okay? So the whole thing would get hard. Now these were more crystallized, but what you do is you bring them out, you put them in the sun, and it turns them back into the clear, nice honey. You just let the sun do it. So you can heat it up on a wood stove too, but then it's taken out a lot of the natural things. But if you just put it out in the sun like that, it really makes a big, big difference. So I will be taking those back in shortly. So wanted to share that with you. We got to water the garden again tonight. We water in the morning and then generally in the evening. And when you water in the evening, it really does. It helps it quite a bit because it stays a lot of moisture. Here, I'll show you. All the radishes are coming up through here. All the peas are coming up through there. So everything is looking good. So, all right. So let's get into the topic. All right. Colonial, the pipeline. Now, foolish me. I thought that the pipeline was hacked, and that's why they shut the pipeline down, because they had hacked the pipeline. But apparently that is not the case. Apparently what the hackers did is they went after billing. Okay, they hacked into the billing department. And so Colonial shut down the pipeline because they were not able to accurately bill their customers. So I want you to think about that for a moment, okay? Think about that. That's what happened. That's why they shut the pipeline down. That's why people were going absolutely nuts and buying all kinds of gas. I've seen some videos of people using all kinds of containers that were not gas cans or things like that to put gas in. Unbelievable. But so that is ending up what the reason for the pipeline shutdown was. They shut it down because they were not able to accurately bill their customers. And I'd like to hear what you guys have to say about that. That's something else. That is definitely something else. Greed is unbelievable. Heaven forbid that you might be off a little bit, but keep things flowing and keep things going. Unreal. So these grapes are looking really, really good. We cut them back really good this year. How are you? I know he's been working up and down through there with his machine.
Yeah, because it looks like he did. It's hard to walk.
I think he was dragging it today.
He's got so much. He's right down to the base again.
Oh, is he?
You can see big roots.
Well, if you ask him, he'll tell you. I mean, it's I know, like I said, I don't know if he's going to get more gravel or not this year. I know he just basically does from there back.
He don't do Eva.
No?
He just goes, you can see tracks going to his barn, and then from his house to Eva's big huge.
Oh, so he doesn't. Yeah. Now see, he should be. Not my place, not my business.
No, I know, but I'm just saying, even if he pays him to dig gravel.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
They're set up so she gives you so much money and you just grab it. You didn't do down by her.
Yeah, I'm surprised because he's pretty good on that. You normally for her. I don't know.
Yeah, from here down is always terrible. Have a good night.
Yes, you too. Sorry, guys. There's Mr. Lucy over there hanging out. So it is about 6:30 at night, and it's been a good day. Very, very comfortable day, beautiful day weather-wise. Just absolutely, we cranked in solar today, which was good as well. And that was my neighbor. She lives down this way, and she walks down the road this way. Again, that's a dead end. That's a dead end. So there's only one way in, one way out, and that's over here. So, but anyway, I want to hear your guys' feedback on the situation with Colonial, because I just, I'll tell you what, just, honestly, the older I get, nothing ceases to amaze me anymore. It really doesn't. The greed level of people is unreal, as far as, heaven forbid that they might be off a little bit on their billing so that they can't make as much money. It boggles my mind, but that happens, unfortunately. So, but the garden is doing well. Look at these freaking potatoes. We're gonna have to very soon, we're gonna have to add, especially these here in the center, we're gonna need to be adding more dirt to them soon. So we're just gonna keep mounding them up as they get bigger. We'll just continue to add more dirt into them, and we'll do that. But so these ones down here are now coming up pretty good. These ones were the ones that came up first, and then my sister planted. My mom wanted these, and so my sister said, "Yeah, I'll plant them." So these ones down here, we got that one there. There's one coming up there. We got the two here, and then another one coming up here. So I'm sure more of these are going to come up. Like I said, it's 3 different kinds of potatoes. So we'll just, we'll see what happens. It's all fun. It's all fun. But I wanted to show you here. I don't think when I was over here, I wasn't. So we got the asparagus is coming up. There's some there, some there. We got some there. Look at the size of the ones here. These ones are coming up really good. And then we got some more over on that side. So no strawberries yet, for whatever reason, but that's okay. But yeah, the asparagus is coming up, so that's good. Like I said, we won't harvest it this year. We won't harvest it next year. The 3rd year is when we will harvest those. But so these plants are doing pretty good, and we got one plant over here that did not do well. So actually, let me just, first of all, this one needs to be uncovered so that it can, there. This one here did not make it. So we transplanted, and that one said, no thank you. So we got that one there as well. But then over here, this is watermelon through here. And then we have peppers and tomatoes through this area. So everything seems to be doing pretty good. So let me just unbury this one here. Well, yeah, garden looks good. We took a chance this year, I'll be honest with you. I looked at the extended forecast, and it looked really good. So we planted early. Normally, again, just so you know, in New York, we normally do not plant until May 31st. That is generally when we put in our garden, just because of the weather. You might get that late frost, but the extended forecast, when we saw it, when we planted, it looked really, really good. So yeah, we took a chance. So we'll have a couple extra weeks of things growing outside, and so that's a good thing. I'll show you over here real quick too. Just wanted to share this with you. The onions are all coming up. So if you can see down through the center of there, onions are everywhere. So this like whole bed is onions. And So you can see them all starting to pop up through the center there. There's another one there, some more coming up here, all through here. So yeah, onions looking good. We're gonna have a lot of onions, so that's all right though. There is nothing in this bed yet. We have more seedlings going in the greenhouse, and they are coming up, and so we're going to save this one for right now for those as they come up. We have some, I think it's some beefsteak tomatoes. We got a bunch of stuff actually. Some of the stuff is going to grow in the greenhouse. We have one more bed out here that we can utilize, so we will see what happens. Hey, Luce. What's up, baby boy? Huh? You a good boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So, anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, good day, kind of chill. Just trying to get things squared away. But anyway, I am going to jump off. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you had a wonderful day. I mean, today the weather was just absolutely perfect. It was about 78 degrees. Really, really nice. And it was just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. And like I said, I got all the grass cutting done this morning. And so I wanted to do that again before I left because it probably won't get done while I am gone. Which is okay. So it'll be there for me when I get back. But so that's where we're at. That's what's happening. Nothing super exciting. Remember, guys, we are all in this together. We are one race called the human race, and as soon as we can focus on that, I think we're going to be in much better shape. Also, remember to hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important, and we tell the people that we care about every single day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that is going to stop you from reaching those goals is you. Nobody else can stop you. Stay positive, stay away from the negativity, and you're going to be just fine. I will see you all tomorrow. I will be live streaming tomorrow night, so definitely join me then for that, okay? Have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.